Hi, I'm Dr. Bhavya. I'm an orthodontist working with 32 Smiles. Congratulations on starting your Invisalign journey with us. So these are the few instructions which you need to follow. First things first, you need to wear the aligners for 20 to 22 hours a day. Because if you don't wear it, it will not work. You need to wear the aligners all the time except while you're eating or drinking something. Make sure your aligner is fitting properly. So when the aligner is fitting properly, there is no gap between the teeth and aligner. So make sure the fitting is proper so that the tooth movement happens. You can drink normal room temperature water with the aligners, but if you're drinking anything hot or cold like tea, coffee or cold drinks, you need to remove the aligners because the liquid might seep into the aligners and you might get some cavities. So whenever you're not wearing the aligners, always carry this case with you and keep the aligners in this case. Don't keep it in your pocket or on the table, you might lose it. You might feel some discomfort, a little bit of pressure for every aligner first 2 days because that's the time when the maximum tooth movement is happening. So if you feel the pain is more, you can take a painkiller, and if it's manageable, then that's okay. 2 times brushing is compulsory, once in the morning and once in the night, and whenever you're brushing, just clean the aligners with water. Rinse it with water. If you feel it's more dirty, just take a soft toothbrush and clean from inside. Never stop wearing your aligners. If you're traveling, you're out of station and you have not carried the next set of aligners, just continue the same aligners till you come back. Because if you stop wearing, whatever movement you have done, it will go back to its original position and the next set of aligners will not fit you. You need to exercise with this chivi every day for at least 5 minutes. Hold the chivi, wear your upper and lower aligner, hold like this and bite between all your teeth so that the fitting is proper. Because if the fitting is proper, then only the tooth will move. Do not discard any of your aligners. Once the aligner is done, just keep the aligners in the same packet, because if some movement is not happening, we can tell you to go back to your previous aligners. Once you are done with all the aligners, just come for a checkup. If any minor changes are there, we can order some finishing sets, or if everything is okay, we can fix the retainers so that your teeth is in a stable position. If you feel any difficulty during the course of treatment, any fitting issue, you can just contact the clinic and talk to the doctor.